Hello, and welcome to the 28th Puppet Challenge. So, we're going to use those two puppets that we are going to do the 28th challenge. So, we'll get started right now. So, I'm going to count to 3. So, 1, 2, 3, action. License and registration, please. I beg your pardon? I said license and registration, please. Is there a problem, officer? Yes, I believe. Why are you here on the street? Well, 'cause I'm the king, and I don't know where to go because I lost my country, and I just want to make my way to, to find my way to my castle, because I'm trying to get to the country, so I don't know where I'm going, so I don't know where I'm here, and where am I? You are in the United States of America. So this is not England. So this is New York. Is it? Yes. So welcome to New York. So you got a license on you? I don't know anything about it because I came all the way from England, and I came all the way from the castle because I'm the king, so I don't know what is license. Well, first of all, my name is Officer John F.K. Brown, and this is a license. That's my license. I just wanted to show you what it's like, so you can remember that. Oh. I see what you mean. You got it now? Yes, indeed. Can you, tell me, to find a way, into another future where I can find my country? Well, why don't you go to the time machine? That way, you can go into another future to find your way home to your country. Oh, thank you, officer. I appreciate it, so, I suggest that I could, take the taxi with me to get to the country, so. Alright, well, take the taxi then, and that'll work out for you. Okay, well. Now, will you excuse me, I have an important meeting to show off, so. Yes, I have an important meeting to go to, so will you excuse me? Certainly, so you're free to go, so off you go then. Oh, thank you, officer, thank you. You're welcome. All right. Farewell. Well, I guess he really means it. That was so hilarious. Well, that's going to be for today, folks, and I hope everyone will enjoy the rest of the weekend, so I will see you guys later for another puppet episode. So, don't worry, we'll be right back after these messages. Alright? So, you all have a great evening. Peace out.